What's up, y'all? This is Justin McKissick, Larry. This video right here is just to show you my auto trader work. I already got it set up. This is on my phone, y'all. Or you want to say my tablet. It's the same thing with this because the way their infrastructure is all like in one. It's not like MetaTrader 4 where you got the laptop version and then you got the mobile version. The whole version is the version. It's the version. And with this auto trader, you ain't gotta put no bots in or anything like that or things of that nature, or you ain't got to pay for a separate subscription to make sure it auto trade. It does everything simultaneously within the same infrastructure. So let me show you what's going on. This is my trading strategy and it's been this way for years. If you go back and look at some of my old YouTube videos or if any of my past stories come up on Facebook, it'll show you. I trade based on moving averages. Okay. What a moving average do, this blue line that's going down underneath this orange line, moving averages follow the price. Okay. As you see, if you're paying attention, you see this blue moving average is kind of going up and down with this actual price. This blue line right here that's going up and down, that's the actual price. That's the true price of Bitcoin right now. Okay, what? Oh, I thought the blue was going to be over. It was going to auto trade. It might open up over, y'all. Nah, it might. Okay. So the point in my video, I'm trying to show you right now that my auto trader do work. I got an open trade open right now as a sale right now. I opened it manually just to show you that it's going to close this trade and take the profit or whatever the loss, going to close that trade and then to open a new trade. Okay. But like I was saying, moving averages follow price action based on the parameter you got it set up. And when I say parameter, the speed of the moving average, basically, okay? So every time this blue line is under this orange line, the price always goes down. It's not because that's what's going on with the moving averages. That's what's going on with the price. See, like right now, the trend for this move, for this time frame is about to go up now because now the blue line, as we see, is over the orange line. Okay. Now, when the blue is over the orange and a candlestick form while over the orange, it's going to be considered a new trend. But what's going to happen? It's going to stop the trade. Watch this. I'm going to put this part up. Watch this. Boom. You see how it just closed up sale. It opened the buy. It took the profit. If it was in profit, already it would have took the profit, but I opened it later. But you just saw it. You just saw what it did. It automatically took the trade based on the algorithm. Okay? It took the trade based on the algorithm. I figured this algorithm out a long time ago, years ago, and it's always accurate. Every time a candlestick form while crossed over, that means the trend is that trend. Now watch, we about to see it do it again. The blue is under the orange. If it closed with a new candlestick under there, that means that's the trend. You know what I mean? And this good thing I'm showing you on the 1 minute because it could do this for the hour, any time frame. Watch this. It's about to do it again. I'm not even going to pull the other one up. Remember, it's in a buy, but it's going to be in a sell again. Watch. It's going to do it right on screen for you. Boom. You see how it's open and close the sale, just open as a look. Okay. Look what it just did. It just opened as a sale. So you see that this motherfucker worked perfectly. This was the perfect video. But this is what I'm trying to tell you. Put it on an hour time frame or about a day or about a week. Man, shit. Let me show you something. Imagine doing it by the day on her. By the day, Bitcoin. Imagine all this money you made. No, let's even just say by the hour like I'm doing. Imagine doing all that from the hour. That's what I'm doing right now by the hour. You see, at any time frame you put it on, it's going to adjust itself to it. But you saw that it auto traded for itself automatically. But I'm just giving you different perspectives. You know what I mean? Imagine about a week. You had this on about a week. Imagine you was trading Bitcoin by the week and you got in here and just kept this trade open. You know how much money we made? Or right now? So, yeah, y'all. So you see it works. Y'all holler at me, man. I'll show you, you know what I'm saying, how to put this on your chart, get this money. Email me, man, because I know y'all gonna want it. I know y'all gonna want it. I'm charging shit. Fuck that. I'm charging $500. $500. Holla at me. And it's worth it too. Cause you see it work. I'm gonna teach you exactly how to plug it in. But you see, I ain't open no trade. It's doing them automatically for me. And the money, that's what I'm saying, man. It's beautiful, man. Holla at me.